guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at BaileyMStewart. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Bo+Tee. I have never bought from Bo+Tee before. I'm not really sure how the quality is. The only reason I bought from them now is because they collabed with Meggan Grubb. I absolutely love her. The clothing she designed, I guess, and collabed with Bo+Tee for their collection, I just thought it was so cute. Perfect little sets, and I just loved the colors. So I grabbed me a few sets to review for y'all. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I know Bo+Tee, I'm pretty sure they're owned by Bo+Tee, or like the same people own it. And I know Bo+Tee, their stuff fits really, really, really small. So I was very confused by sizing. I got a small and an extra small on like the tops, and I know that their sizes are like for dolls. I actually, well, tea time, I was supposed to collab with Bo+Tee. They sent me like a dress to take a photo in, and it was a top. I couldn't even zip it up. I couldn't even get it over my bottom half. And, you know, I tried to, I don't know what that was, but I tried to message them like, hey, can I switch this out for a new size? I can't post. I literally can't get the dress on. And they just ghosted me. So yeah, we'll probably never even attempt to work with them again because they don't care about who they, like, clearly they're just trying to collab with literally anyone and not even getting back to them. So if they don't care, I don't care. Whatever. I've been subscribed to like Meggan Grubb's YouTube channel and her Instagram for years, like probably since she first started, and I feel like she's always had really cute gym style. That's why, like, not why I follow her Instagram, I like her workouts as well, but I do definitely take workout clothing inspo from her. I think her style is super cute. She's always into bright colors, which is what I like, and I just think her collection was so cute. It is a Valentine's Day collection, so everything was kind of like red, pink. That I'll go into is just this, it's like sweatpants and the matching like crop top slash crew neck, that's what you want to call it. So I'll start with the top. I'm pretty sure it's called Self Love. I got it in the color red and it is 64. It's just this little cropped crew neck. Oh, this is actually the back. It says Bo+Tee on the back, and then the little heart that says Bo+Tee for their logo. Just a little scoop neckline, and then it's got this cinch, kind of like, you know how joggers have the cuff, it's got that on the top as well at the bottom, and then the sleeves, it's like the perfect cropped length. It goes a little bit below your belly button, I'm pretty sure, or maybe right at it. I don't really like anything cropped that goes above my belly button. I just feel like that's a little too short. It is extremely comfortable. Like, the quality is really nice, and it's just normal, like, sweatsuit material, if that makes sense. Okay, so I got this in a small. I definitely would not have wanted to get an extra small, just because that would have been way too tiny for my liking. I honestly could have got a medium, because when I'm wearing like sweatsuit or sweatpants and a sweatshirt, I like it to be oversized. So I definitely could have gone smaller. I definitely could have gone bigger. And I mean, for 64, I feel like this is a little up there. Their stuff was really pricey, and I feel like Bo+Tee is normally a little more on the cheaper side, but this collab was not cheap. Yeah, but it is really cute as a set. And then I got the matching sweatpants. I got these in a small as well, and they are 73. I didn't realize how much they were. 73 is a lot for a pair of sweatpants compared to like the pretty little thing ones I have. Whew. I didn't even realize that. I think I was just throwing stuff in the cart that I thought was cute. 73 bucks for sweatpants. Oof. But they are extremely comfortable. I got these in a small, And they definitely have like an oversized fit, so they're very baggy. They do have pockets. They've got the little heart logo for Bo+Tee on the side. It's got drawstring, so you can adjust it because it is big on the waist for a small. I'm honestly surprised. It's got a cuff, so I guess these aren't really sweatpants, they're like joggers. The sweatpants are 80% cotton, 80% cotton, and then 20% polyester. Just that normal sweatpant material. It does feel very high quality. Like, I am surprised at how good the quality feels. I mean, for 73 bucks it better feel this way. But yeah, I honestly don't think I'm gonna return these because I really do like this set. I wanted a red like lounge set anyways, and I guess this is probably average price for good quality ones, so I am happy. I do really like them. I think the quality's really nice. They are a baggy fit, so don't expect these to be like the most glute accentuating things, because they're not. But, you know, to chill around the house, to go run some errands, you can still look super cute. So I am happy with this. I think Meggan did an amazing job. I'm pretty sure if she collabed with them, she had a huge part in like designing everything and like picking what colors, what styles. So she did an amazing job if she was like hands-on. My favorite set, I am so excited for this one. I saw it and this was like, I was on the fence about even doing this video and purchasing their stuff, but I saw this set and this is honestly what made me buy the stuff, just because I have never really seen anything like it. Maybe I have, but at that moment I hadn't. So it's this, we'll start with the top. It's called the Lively Ribbed Zip Crop Jacket in hot pink. I got this in a small. I should have gotten a medium because it is really cropped. Too cropped for me, but it's okay because the pants are high rise, like very high rise. So it's just this little crop jacket. It's a zip up. And the material is very stretchy, but it's almost like a fake corduroy. Like at first I thought it was corduroy, and then I put it on and it wasn't. It was stretchy, but it's got that ribbed corduroy look, if it's gonna show. Nice little collar. It's got the logo. I love this color pink. I'm obsessed with pink. And I definitely would size up if you like your jackets and like tops a little bit bigger, because it is really short and honestly I wish it was longer. The sleeves kind of puff, like it's a little baggy. It's not like a fitted sleeve, but it's also not a bell sleeve, if that even makes sense. Yikes, it's ripped. Fabric is already coming off. So this is 64. Again, a lot of their stuff is pricey, but the quality does feel really nice. Like I feel like it would last you a long time. I don't think it's cheaply made at all. I'll show you the pants. The pants are, I want to say I guess they're more so boot cut, although they do flare at the bottom, but it's not like bell bottom pants. They don't accentuate the backside as much as I thought they would. It is a double layer, so I guess double lined. When I was putting these on, I struggled because my foot kept getting caught in the inside layer. So it was really hard to get on. I'm not even exaggerating. And I feel like because of the double layer, it doesn't make the booty pop as much. It just kind of flattens it, but I don't think it's bad. I mean, not everything has to flatter that area. I just think as a set, it was really cute. I love the color. Again, it's that like faux corduroy stretchy material. I do like the shape of the pants. I feel like anything boot cut or that kind of flares at the bottom gives you a curvier shape. So these are called, I'm looking, guys, I'm looking. the sculpt ribbed flared trousers in hot pink, and these are $64. Okay, so the top and the bottoms are the same price. Normally the bottoms are more expensive, but hey, I'm not complaining. They have it in like a peachy color, I'm pretty sure, and then like, oh, I like that color. Probably should have got that one. Oh well. These are 95% cotton and then 5% elastane. Elastic waistband, super stretchy, logo. I honestly, it is very tight. Probably should have gone up so that way it didn't kind of pancake my butt as much. Like, I just feel like it kind of sucked everything in. They are very cute. The leggings I saw that have the little sculpting design in the back, I was iffy about the colors because they had like the red, the pink, the cream, and then the like peachy color. I got the cream, but I honestly wish I didn't because it says squat proof, but I really don't think they are. They're not unbearable, but you definitely can't wear bright colors underneath. Different color would have been better. I just didn't have any leggings this color, so I wanted to like snag a pair. I honestly don't think this color looks that good on me, so it is what it is. These are called the strong ribbed butt lifting leggings in the color cream, and they are $57. Again, I got these in a small. I also got the top, but I'll show that in a second. So it's like a ribbed seamless material, very stretchy, very thin. I do like the material. I love the back. I think the back is extremely flattering, and which, I mean, obviously is the point. It's got a line under and then a little V-shaped line above as well, just to kind of sculpt and I guess perk it up. I do think it does give that look. And it's also not like an in-your-face Gymshark type of design, so I do think it is very flattering, very subtle, but it does the job. Yeah, very, very stretchy. Like, you have to be careful washing this because I feel like it definitely would pill and snag easily, so be careful with that because they are $57. Waistband, it does have slight tummy control, but it isn't like super suck you in, if that makes sense. Like, it is very stretchy, but it's also not like just fabric sitting there, if that makes sense. So I guess squat proofness, I would give this like a 7 out of 10. Yeah, 7 out of 10. The other colors probably are better, but I just wanted to get a color that I didn't have. So yeah. Next I have the matching top. I got this in an extra small just because I know I like my tops a little bit tighter, and I don't have much up there, so I got this in an extra small, and I honestly want to return it. I wish it was more like a crop top. I think I would have liked that better. It's really short, but again, I guess it is a sports bra. I had to remove the pads just because they were sitting up at a really awkward length for me, or height for me. And also this right here, it digs into my armpit. It's so uncomfortable. Also, the this part is a little too long, so, and it's the smallest size I'm pretty sure they have. Oh no, they have an extra small. Am I really an extra small up top? Dang. Like, the armpits are just literally digging in, and like there's too much fabric there, and I guess it goes out too much. And this part, like these straps, are a little too long for my liking. But overall, it is very comfortable. Same material as the leggings. This is $46. Yeah, I'm definitely returning it because I don't think I'm going to wear this. I find it uncomfortable because of that. And for $46, I'm returning something. Like, no, I'm not keeping $46 just sitting in my closet that I'm not going to wear. So yeah, I guess for this, just be wary of that it will dig into the armpit area. So yeah. So don't think it's like high impact just because there's like really no support, let's be honest. So yeah, the material is 92% nylon and 8% elastane. Alright guys, that is everything I got from Bo+Tee for the Valentine's Day Meggan Grubb collection. Overall, I am very happy with most of the stuff I got. I'm surprised at how high quality it is just because, honestly, I thought it would have been cheap quality, not gonna lie. I also thought the sizing was gonna be crazy tiny, but most of the smalls fit me fine, so I am happy about that. I think for most of the items, you can get true to size. The pricing was a little bit higher than I had expected for Bo+Tee, but for the quality, I do think it is worth it. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the sports bra, so I probably will be returning that. Maybe trying another size, maybe not, I don't know. The leggings, I do like. I just probably would have gotten it in a different color, but this video was not sponsored. Yeah, I will have everything linked down below. Hopefully it's all still in stock. Like, I bought this, like, everything even before it technically launched, but because of the weather and COVID and everything, shipping did take a little bit, so I am behind on getting this video up, but I'm actually gonna go and edit this right now so I can get it up for y'all ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you buy anything from their collection, let me know what you guys liked, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BaileyMStewart, and I'll see y'all in my next video.